Hello, welcome to your Mudra and meditation practice. Today we are looking at Matsya Mudra. This one is the gesture of the fish. And so this one, you're taking your palms face down in front of the lower abdomen, fingers interlaced, fingers facing forward and no space between them. Place the palm of the right hand onto the back of the left hand. Extend the thumb straight out like the fins of a fish. So if you haven't watched any of my other mudra videos, then you might not know that I'm taking this mudra from Joseph and Lillian LePage's book called Mudras, Healing for Transformation. Wonderful book. If you're interested and mudras are working for you, I highly recommend it. So now we can rest the forearms against our lower abdomen or rest the hands on the lap. If you want to do this one seated, then make sure you have a nice long spine. The hips are lifted. You could be in a chair, on a couch, but you can be relaxed with a nice natural curve in the spine. Shoulders are relaxed back and down, and spine is long. Even if you're laying down, make sure that the spine is supported and long. So Matsya Mudra has a meditation that correlates to it in the book called Soothing Inner Tide Pool. This mudra is for osteoarthritis and the health of the joints. And so this meditation will take approximately 10 minutes. If at any time you want to let go of the mudra, listen to your body, let it go. You can always come back in. No need to push, just do what feels good. As you're holding Matsya Mudra, take several natural breaths in through the nose, maybe out of your mouth. Like you're fogging up a mirror, just to kind of relax and let go. And then returning just to a nose breath as you feel ready. If you can't breathe in and out of your nose, reach out. I've got a few tricks for that, so put something in the comments below or reach out to me in whatever way that you can through Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. As you hold the mudra, see what feelings come up, what sensations in the body, maybe emotions. You might find a sense of calm coming up. Where do you notice your awareness going? And this mudra can instill a sense of cooling and soothing energy that could provide relief from inflammation in the body. So notice how your breath is gently directed into your pelvis and lower abdomen. So you're instilling a sense of ease and fluidity with the breath. Focusing more on the pelvis and lower abdomen. And as your breath flows through the pelvic area more easily, you can visualize yourself floating in a crystal clear tide pool in a soothing tropical sea. And your tide pool is shallow, calm and serene. Allowing your soft rhythmic breathing to send gentle waves across its surface. And the pool is caressing your entire body, And take several breaths to really attune to the rhythm of this soft breathing. Naturally deepening your level of comfort and ease. Now allow gentle waves of ease to flow into each area of your body, bathing your joints with nourishing energy. You can begin at the ankles and the feet, soothing and relaxing them completely. Soft waves of healing circulate through the knees, the lower legs, especially the knees, cultivating relaxation and comfort throughout these areas of your being. And for the next few breaths, allow all of the joints of your lower extremities to be bathed completely by these gentle waves of healing energy. The ankles, the toes, the knees, into your hips and pelvis. As you're picturing this nourishing energy flowing through the joints, soften your muscles, relax them a little bit more with each exhale. Now you can let some slow motion waves of undulating energy flow up and down the spine, creating space between each vertebrae of the spine. And just like a wave coming in at the low spine for the inhale, all the way through, creating space to the top of the spine. With the exhale, releasing all the way down the spine, relaxing the muscles around the spine. Soothing waves of healing now bathe your shoulders, the joint of the shoulder, moving on to the elbows, and then on to the wrists. It's instilling complete relaxation and a deep sense of nourishment through those joints. Take some time now to experience your arms are soft and released, floating in a sea of ease. And all the small joints of your hands and fingers are bathed in healing energy. And gentle undulating waves of healing. They now support your head and neck, the weight of it, allowing your senses to soften and completely rest. Now take several breaths to sense your entire being caressed by soft waves of nourishment and healing, allowing all the joints of your body to relax completely. As your body floats comfortably, repeat the following 3 times out loud after me or in your mind. Nourished by the waves of healing, I experience comfort in all the joints of my body. Nourished by the waves of healing, I experience comfort in all the joints of my body. Nourished by the waves of healing, I experience comfort in all the joints of my body. You can linger here as long as you choose, or start to release the mudra, taking a little bit of movement that feels okay through the hands, the fingers, and the wrists. Now again, you can use this mudra without the meditation at any time, and the mudra can be held for 5 to 15 minutes a day or less if it's feeling a little bit too much for you at any time, remembering to find what feels good rather than pushing or trying to attain something. Just listen to the body. And then you could also use this other affirmation that was offered through the book, and it's bathed in waves of nourishing energy. My body moves freely and comfortably. So again, if you want to write that down, take it with you. You'd have that affirmation memorized at some point the more you practice. And come back to this practice as often as possible to support yourself with osteoarthritis and the health of your joints. Thank you for sharing, and I will see you in the next one.